Welcome to YII admin panel. This is a new framework and very advanced framework in this open source technology. And using this framework, we can manage very very dynamic things like API and its control, admin panel and its control, and site front end, admin panel, and all other services we can provide using this admin panel. This framework supports different kinds of relational database, but right now we are using MySQL 5.7 and upper versions, but we can use Oracle, MS SQL, even NoSQL using this YII framework. Now see one of the example how we can manage it. This is a framework and this is the uh, MySQL admin panel where I have created a table that is name is CMS. Like using this table we can manage all the CMS pages. Okay, for example, we can click on the admin panel CMS management section where we can edit, view and delete all the CMS page from this admin panel without doing any code from our end. We will just do it using the command prompt. Okay, so it is very easy to check this thing in this admin panel. Okay, so these all the content are created for our prestigious client and we are showing that same demo from here. Now we can edit it, we can change this content anytime. We can set different kinds of database field directly in this admin panel, so we do not need to touch the MySQL database. Okay, so there may be multiple fields here, but we do not do anything here. We'll just manage it from this admin panel where we can add the priority, is menu item or not, the page slug, I mean for SEO purpose we can use it. Okay, and the status. So in this way we can add many more fields for this CMS management sections, and it can handle lots of fields and in that very large database as well. Here is the thing we have developed, that is the home sliders. You can see all, we can upload all the images dynamically from this admin panel. We have to do some little more code for uploading the images and validating all the images. Even we can make some searches directly from here. Okay, so these are built in admin panel of the YII. Not only the admin page management, we can do even more. We can add and we can manage our data services that we are providing third-party clients to our data services, and we can take some data from other third-party services to merge it here. Like here is the data services like score feed. Using this data key we can get all the data from this site, and we can fetch all the data using our YII API, and we can show all the data, all the score data or anything else from their site. So it can hold many huge data in the database very easily. In the API services, even we can access all the API from the console as well in the web end. So for example, we have created a new API service that is called index, and we can access this using this API controller from this control panel. So you see very easy, the command is php YII, then the API slash index. So I can get some data or some good return values from these API services. Okay, so in the command prompt I just hit it and it gives me a lots of data using the API services. I choose this demo using these API services and using these framework with this sample data, because I want to show you some data how we can fetch lots of data using this YII framework without any failure, and it can handle a huge data. It may be Oracle database, it may be MySQL database, but it will work as a high level above that, and it can handle any type of database provided by you. Okay, so in the admin panel you can see the log status here, that is how the route is here, what is the route and what time is taken by this call and how much memory is consuming for this call. If I click on it, you can see all the details, that that performance profiling is here one by one. So in the backend what query is running and how the data is fetched, you can get it from like this console. So it is not required always to open the log file manually and check the data and the errors, so that we can directly access it from here. So you can see it how time is taken. This is millisecond, 109 millisecond. The memory is 6 MB approx, and the DB query is 7. Okay, so and the route is this is core feed slash index. Okay, even you can access the log manually from here as well. Even it can support a different PHP version, that right now I am using a top rated version, that is 7.1.15. Sorry. So this new framework provide us the GII interface, where we can create the code, we can create the view file, we can generate model. So it is very easy to update our database and interact all the database tables using this GUI interface. So we can create a model from here, we can run the CRUD operation. So it will create, read, write, update, delete, everything what you are seeing here, like it is view, edit, delete, even create. If I come to this page, create new page, so all we can manage here from these CRUD operations. Even you can generate the controller directly from this GUI interface, like this top rated frameworks always support MVC method, so model, view and controller. So we can manage all the controllers from this GUI interface. So using this YII framework, we can create this controller, model and all the view files very easily and manage it in the admin panel. So design is yours, but functionality will provide by this YII code generator. Now even with this support, we have some extra features available, that we can create any type of form from this admin panel, so that you can create a form from here. You have just provide the form name and the model class name, and after that we can preview the form and we can create this form from here. Even we can generate a new module for your company or for the third-party customers from here using this module generator. And same way we can create new extensions for the YII framework itself, and we can use it here. Even if there is a lots of functionality and for managing things, but it is not slower, it is more faster than this any type of new frameworks used in the new MVC framework. So we can say it is a very fast and optimized framework in the open source technology. So this framework is top rated right now from our end, and all the customers says it is very fast. So we are proud to use it, and we can create any type of services, any type of softwares and any type of web services, even websites and lots of things we can create it using this new YII framework. Thank you.